Okay guys, we are going to check what is Systeme-io, what is it used for, and what is it the most famous for. If you want to come to their site, you can type just Systeme.io, or you can reach to this site by the link I'm giving inside this video's description. So let's check what this site has to offer to us, as they claim that it is one of the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform. It offers a lot of features and benefits related to funnel building, related to online marketing, and whoever is interested into creating his or her own funnels, starting an online business journey, or anything related to online entrepreneurship. As they claim over here, they have more than 300,000 entrepreneurs on their subscribers list or their users panel. Their claim is somehow quite true, because as I have also used this platform and found it one of the most simplest and easiest ways to create online business and funnels for myself. So let's see what you can do with Systeme.io. Basically, you can start creating your own sales funnels with the help of Systeme.io. You can create your own marketing campaigns and send emails, unlimited emails, even with the free plan. That is quite amazing. The third thing is you can build your websites. Also, you can create your e-commerce websites or your personal branding websites. Then you can create your own complete affiliate business with the help of this tool. Basically, Systeme.io is one of the most amazing tools available across the online world, because they offer an incredible 60% commission on their affiliate sales. So there is a huge opportunity to start earning very hassle free. Then you can create and sell your online courses with the help of this tool. Or and one of the most amazing thing which I like about Systeme.io, that you can automate your marketing campaigns. Each and everything you can automate. They have a lot of different plans with which you can automate your workflows inside the funnels. So it is best for course creators, funnel freelancers, consultants, or small business owners. So let's see how we can go inside the dashboard and see their options or features. So here's the dashboard. I have just created my account, and within a few weeks I have collected more than 100 leads and created a sale for my my offer as well, which was for $27. I haven't marketed my offer much, but yeah, you can see the results without making a lot of efforts. I have created one sale for myself. So it is a bit easier with the help of Systeme.io to generate more and more leads in lesser time, and obviously it becomes a bit easier for you to start generating sales as well. So this is the dashboard, and in the dashboard it provides 3 to 4 options. It is the main dashboard, and here it is another dashboard which is called affiliate dashboard. And in this affiliate dashboard you can come and get your own affiliate link for free, and with the help of this affiliate link you can start earning 60% lifetime commissions from the very first month whenever anyone subscribes to any plan of Systeme.io using your affiliate link. As it is one of the cheapest funnel building platforms or website building or online marketing management platforms across the world. Let's see how is their pricing aligned for customers to use. Let's go to the pricing. So they have 4 different plans. One is completely free, the second is startup, the third is webinar plan, and the fourth is the unlimited plan, and it comes for $97 per month, which is, I think, not too much, and for some people who are using other platforms find it almost free. But here comes the most amazing thing. Even with the free plan, they provide a lot of features and benefits you can use even without paying them a dime. You can create a list of maximum 2,000 people or your subscribers with the free plan, you can send unlimited emails. You can create 3 funnels in the free plan. You can create even 15 sales funnel steps with the free plan. You can create 1 blog. You can write unlimited blog posts. You can create your own course and you can sell it. You can enroll unlimited number of students in the free plan. You can create communities. You can do a lot of things. You can create workflows, you can set automation rules. You can create tags, email campaigns. This is the best thing about Systeme-io, that you can create your own customized email campaign and start doing email marketing all for free. You can set one-click upsells, you can set order bumps, you can do A/B testings as well. You can create coupon codes, a lot of things in the free plan. This is the most amazing funnel building platform, I must say. Then let's come to the most important and most amazing feature of this platform is the funnels. Let's come to funnels. You can create as many as 3 funnels completely for free with the free plan. So far I have created 2 funnels for myself and I'm using them, and I have just started using them, and I'm quite amazed with the powerful features they provide. Apart from the funnels, we have emails. You can create your own email newsletters, or as I said earlier, you can create your own email campaigns, and you can add unlimited number of emails in one campaign. Okay, so here is the statistics for your email campaigns. Let's go to it. So these are the email statistics. They show you the number of emails sent. They show you the average percentage of open emails. Then they show you the average percentage of spams. Then they show you the bounced emails or bounce rate. Then these are the individual statistics of the emails you have sent. Okay, then you can create a blog. You can set automation rules and workflows over here. You can create your own products. As I should show you my products, I have created some courses. I'm selling these courses. These are PLR courses which are created by the founder of Systeme, Aurelian Maker, and these are 8 incredible courses, and this is the package for $97, which has the PLR and MRR, which means PLR is equal to private label rights and MRR is master resell rights. So you can sell these courses with your name, with your branding, and you can keep 100% of the product with the help of master resell rights. So this is an amazing product, and I have been selling it for quite a while, and it works wonders. It is much in demand, and if you buy it, you can resell it 1,000,000 times and keep all the profit with yourself. Then you can create your physical products as well, and I don't have any physical products as yet, so I have this folder empty, and you can check your transactions records, your subscriptions records, and your affiliate invoices and affiliate commission records from this tab, which is shown as the sales. Systeme.io provides a very robust customer service. They have the help pages, video tutorials, and customer support. They have very active customer support, and they usually respond within 2 hours. That is quite amazing. So this was an overview of Systeme.io platform. I hope you liked it, and let me know about your reviews and your any kind of queries in the comment section.